So tonight, on my first vlog, we're going to watch a theater play and it's entitled The Fifth Prodigal. And I hope na magustuhan ninyo yung first vlog ko dahil dito nakasalalay yung mga susunod pa. Okay? Tapos ganito. Dahil ito yung first vlog ko, I'll just be using my Samsung phone. Bahala na kung magiging okay sa dilim, pero may tiwala naman ako sa kanya. So that's it. See you there or see you here.
Started at the cinema, tear of dancing hands in the wind. Restless, rolling up a cigarette. The boys are calling shotgun again. Hot blooded like a harlequin. Our hero when he's trembling, shaking like a tambourine. Colors running into her skin. And all the stars are awakened to the sound of a firebird. Under the sky, half naked, and all the stars are
So yun, konti pa yung tao na nandito. Makikita nyo naman, konting-konti pa, wala pa halos tao laman. So yan. So okay na yung stage, all upset. Okay, kitang-kita. Hopefully maka-access tayo kung paano makapasok sa loob to meet the artist para kilalanin natin lahat. Let's see what we can do. Tingnan ko kung pwede mag-access sa backstage. Okay. Hello po, good afternoon po. Taga-stairs po kayo? Bali po, I'm vlogging about this event. Pwede po kayo akong maka-backstage?
Tatanong mo na kayo.
Access lang. Ano po, kahit short clip lang. Thank you po. So, yun. Tingnan natin kung pwede. Sabi ko na nga ba, konting kapal lang ng mukha yan. Kayang-kaya nyo yan, everyone.
at marami pong iba because we believe that we
Tahimikan. Hindi kasi ako pinayagan mag-live din sa birthday mo eh. Ano ba naman yung... Yung mga nakakasama mo kaya yan. Baklang-bakla ka na Marita.
Tama na yan. Brilliant. Hindi mo mga tugada. Winnie, tama na yan, ha? Buti na pala, oh, forma pa. Yun nga, eh. Pero yun,
Let's keep on going till we have no fear. We're lost in the sky, we just don't care.
Kaya ngayon,
Don't care.
ano mang tumamang
You
kami ng testamento
don't
ng 60th birthday ka.
don't care.
At nung
Don't care, yeah, don't care. We're lost in the sky, we just don't care.
Yeah! Hey! What's your name?
21 years. Tama kayo. Mas mahalaga ang pamilya kaysa sa kayamanan.
Just don't care.
So right now, we're going to take a chance to talk to the director of the show. Kung naririnig niyo man ako, I hope naririnig niyo ako dahil kailangan natin
The production of the fifth Prodigal. Marami pong salamat.
medyo mahina pa tayo sa passes. Hindi tayo agad makapasok, so we have to wait para ma-interview yung director and the cast. Anong itatanong ko? Hindi ko din alam. Balak sila magtagal-tal. You know what would be the easiest way para makapick ka on stage is to vlog. Right here with Ma'am Aliw. Hi Ma'am, say hi Ma'am. Ma'am, video. So we're given the time to interview with them. Alright, this is it guys. So I would like to talk to Direct. Kayo po muna. So I'm with the director. Ako po si TJ, vlogger from Baler. So sir, ano po yung inspiration for this show?
Actually, I wrote this for my mother kasi she's aging. Sabihin, tumatanda na ang aking mami, pero that's why I created this play to honor mothers especially.
Napakaganda. And Direct, why Baler? Bakit Baler?
Ito kasi isa sa mga pinakamagandang lugar na napuntahan ko, and that's why we had our pre-show here kasi birthday ko rin at the same time.
Oh, happy birthday po! Happy birthday! And now with the cast, say hello everyone! Alright. Ito yung mga characters dun sa show earlier. Ayan po, say hi po sa viewers. Ako po ay isang taga-Baler din na vlogger. And maraming gustong makakita ng show nyo na wala sa Baler. Thank you guys! And here are the others. Hello po. My name's TJ. I'm from Baler and I'm a vlogger.
Hello, Baler!
Yes po.
Hello, Baler!
Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa stay nyo dito. Hello po! Hello guys.
Hello, good evening.
I'm also from Baler po. Taga dito po talaga ako. I'm a vlogger from Baler.
Hello!
And actually, ito po yung first ko. Kasi puro ako video. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng kasama ako. And thank you po for visiting Baler. Alright. Can we have just one? Haller Baler. Shout po kay lahat. Okay po. Haller Baler. Okay po. Ready and 1, 2, shout! Thank you very much po. Thank you. And happy birthday, Direct. Yan. So, we got the access. And we hope you enjoy the vlog! So, yun na nga. Sabi ko sa inyo, the easiest way to access with the entertainers is to get a vlog.